lights. Oh, this cargo?
Yeah. See you, Tom. Good to see you, man.
No, I have no way to get there. Unless you come pick me up.
Are you ready?
If you come to San Francisco, I'll drive you from there. Have a good one. Jack, bring it over here. Where are we going? Down to the middle?
Wherever you want. We're going to take off from right to left, so I think closest is best. Uh-oh, what happened?
Oh, one of the wires came unplugged?
Oh, no.
It lost power. No,
you want to do the photo now or after the flight?
It's up to you. You want to do it or me?
I'll do it.
You take it.
It's okay.
You want to do it now?
You like turn on the power for a long time and then it dies.
Here, put the flap up.
Flaps up.
That's your landing flap?
No, that was, landing flaps. I don't use much. Maybe that's my problem. That's full bore. Yeah, mine's a little brighter than yours. Just a little bit. See that? Yeah. I like that array that I'm using now better. Okay. Alright, let's go.
I love how our lights are like each other.
We were going to do formation, but...
You have like no right. I'm holding back.
Once it starts moving, it's fine.
You see how like if I go left, it like keeps going left?
Yeah. Mine does the same thing, see?
Yeah. Whatever. Where do you want to go?
Right there. If it'll turn. It's a little, see, it's turning sharper that way.
Yeah. Alright, you go first.
Alright, you ready?
China clear.
Take it out.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Alright, where are we going?
Just do your thing. I'll follow you. Just try not to
Alright.
make your turns too steep.
Fast, slow pass from the right. Look at that little move.
I know. I saw it earlier. Ready? I'm gonna catch up to you. Going up behind you. I'm gonna go off a little to the left.
I'm coming back down. Fast, slow pass from the left. Ready?
Yep. I'm a little further out than you, but I'm on it. Let me cut in, catch you. There we go.
Time remaining.
Okay.
Minute.
We're probably going to go from the left after you. Those look cool right there.
Yep.
Alright, you ready?
Go.
Fast, slow pass from the left. Gotta be close.
Okay. Yeah, mine's a little brighter.
Alright, come back down.
Okay, we're going from the right, Mike.
Roger. Turning right.
Hey, next flight, are you gonna ramp it?
Nope.
No. It's too dark.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to fly anything after this.
Why am I timber? See how it rolls like that? It's like kind of goes like a backward thing.
Yep. Yeah, once we go by, go ahead.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
See, these things don't have much vertical.
Nope, but they got that cool slide that can make the, when you pull, once they start slowing down and you pull full up, they slide.
Yeah.
All right, fast slow pass from the right.
Oh, dude, the burners look so good.
Okay, go ahead.
No, I'm going to do that soon.
Oh, look at that climb together. That looks cool.
My burner goes through the
Is that a real jet, sir? You want to do that one more low pass?
Go.
Fast, slow pass from the right. Let's go.
I'll be behind you.
They don't.
Mike, fast slow pass from the right.
Turning right.
9.
Oh, that works. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine has a nose light too. I'm going to calm down now.
Go ahead.
Max.
Mustang back.
I got a 6,000. I'm good. Okay. So then let's. Okay, let Mike come in, then we'll come in after him. Go ahead, Mike.
Mike took all those.
Huh?
No, seriously, on his turn, it's like fourth elevator.
Alright. I'm gonna put my gear down this pass.
Go ahead.
Gear check from the right.
I can wait.
Oh, that smoke's burning my
Let's
eyes.
just take it slow. I'm not gonna drive going slow.
I'm gonna do a gear pass as you land.
Let's just do like some nice flaps.
Everybody go.
Alright. I'm gonna do whatever right.
Actually, yeah, we're gonna do a section landing. So you go ahead and land now, and then I'll be behind you.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
By the time you're down.
Are you gonna do it in pitch dark?
Yeah, I've done it before.
I'm gonna fly my gear in pitch dark. You have lights? Yeah, I have finger lights. Remember those finger lights that we put on at the... Oh, it worked.
There you go. Okay, so just roll out.
I got it down now.
Just roll out and back up a little bit so I can see.
Oh. Tippy. Should I eat my lollipop when I fly? I'm like, I'm on the far right. You're the kind of guy to eat a push pop, alright?
Oh.
Yours is a little naked. Oh, those things, yeah. Dude, my friend got... Dude, we were driving up...
There we go. I got it, finally.
Yeah, we both got it.
Yeah, I see you. Just gonna roll. Nice.
Barry Bouquet in 6th grade, and he got one. He was like,
Yeah, mine's a little bright.
yeah, you got the new one.
Yeah.
I guess he rolled all the way down to the end of the runway. Not.
Still haven't hit throttle yet.
Like, dude, I used to see these like every day in 4th grade.
I put like crap in my bearings, so it doesn't roll as far.
Really?
Yeah.
I need to. Oh, look out. I'm gonna go this way.
That's why I went that way.
I'm ready. You can go. Not you.
Let me do a picture with the burner. Let's park here and face that way.
Well,
They're the same lights.
Yeah, they're the same lights, but the missile's blocking them.
Oh yeah.
If you
See
take-
now, okay. See now it's fun.
Yeah, the FMS lights are.
We don't have lights on our planes. We need to go.
This is an FMS plane.
Flaps up.
All right, so turn it around and then I'll get a picture with my camera.
What do you want to, like, face
Just that way, yeah. Face the sunset. Face the sunset.
Yeah, you really can't see mine either.
Save that as the
Mine's a little better.
screenshot. Yeah, hold on.